Collectability and restoration. Oval window Beetles, built between 1953 and 1957, are highly coveted by collectors from all over the globe. Most knowledgeable enthusiasts consider oval windows, especially those equipped with the huge sliding canvas sunroof, commonly called Ragtop, to be the most desirable Beetles ever built. 57 Beetles were a significant evolution of the original design. It featured a larger engine, improved suspension, and a more comfortable interior. This made it even more popular with drivers and cemented its place as an automotive icon. Production and sales. The 1957 Volkswagen Beetle was a defining moment for the iconic car, marking a new era in its production and sales history. That year saw Volkswagen ramp up production, with more than 1 million units rolling off the assembly line in Germany alone. This fine example, a sunroof sedan, originally sold for $1,575. The popularity of the VW Beetle was reaching new heights, and it quickly became one of the best-selling cars in the world, especially in the US, where it gained a massive following. Styling. The exterior styling of the 1957 Volkswagen Beetle is one of the most recognizable designs in automotive history. The front of the VW Beetle was dominated by the large, round headlights and the distinctive VW logo. The rounded hood and fenders, along with the sloping windshield, gave the car a smooth and aerodynamic appearance. The side view of the Beetle was equally impressive, with its gentle curves and rounded doors. The rear of the 1957 VW Beetle was perhaps its most distinctive feature, with its slanted deck and small, oval taillights.